Set 25, Max Paper 1, Question 1. 8 ones, 3 tens, and 6,000 is, so we have 8, plus 3 tens is 0.3, plus 6,000 is 0.06. Our final answer is 8.306. 8.306. So our question 1 answer is actually 3. Okay, we move on to question 2. Find the value of 66 divided by 100. Okay, so there's 2 zeros, so 66. When you divide, your number actually becomes smaller, so you move 1, 2, so we get 0.66. So question 2, our answer is 3. Question 3, express 2 1 over 4 as a decimals. Okay, 2 1 over 4 is the same as 2 25 over 100. Okay, there's 2 zeros, which means it's 2 point, okay, 2 decimal place, you have 25 here, so it's 2.25. 2.25, answer is 2. Question 3, answer is 2. Question 4, which of the following is the same as 4 9 over 10? Okay, so we have 4 9 over 10 is the same as 90 over 100. Okay, 1 meter is actually 100 cm, so here we should have 490 cm. So question 4, our answer is 2. Question 5, 705 gram equals to how many kg? Okay, so we have 1 kg giving us 1000 gram. 1.000 kg will give us 1000 gram. So we have 705 gram. That's going to give us 0.705 kg. So 0.705, answer is here. Question 5, answer is 1. Okay, we move on to question 6. The following figure shows part of a measuring scale. Which of the following is closest to the reading indicated by the arrow? Okay, so we see that every division, okay, is actually 1 cm. How many spaces are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 1 divided by 5 equals to 0.2. Okay, so here is about first, second, third arrow, so we can predict that this is around 2.6 something, so this will be the nearest. So question 6, your answer is 3. Question 7, express 0.6 as a percentage. Okay, always remember 1.0 give you 100%. Alright, so 0.6, that must give you 60%. So answer is 3. 7, your answer is 3. Let's move on to question 8. There were 300 people at the party and 120 of them were female. What percentage of the people were female? So I got 120 females over a total of 300 people times 100%. Alright, okay, so we can cancel. 120 divided by 3, that will give us actually 40%. So 40% is 2. Question 8, our answer is actually 2. Okay, we move to question 9. Find the value. Okay, so we always do the bracket one first. So that will give us 6 times 4 plus 8 is 12 minus 9 divided by 3. Order operation, we do multiplication next. Okay, 6 times 12 will give us 72 minus 9 divided by 3. Our next step will be 9 divided by 3, so it's 72 minus 3. Our final answer is 69. Question 9, answer is 4. Now we look at question 10. Which of the following is 700,000 when rounded off to the nearest thousand? Okay, this is in the thousands place. We look at digit 7. This will give us 702,000. Okay, that's not the answer that we want, so this is not. Let's look at the second question. Okay, this is the number. Okay, this is 6 more than 5, so this will give me 701000. Okay, same thing, this is not the answer that we want. Okay, let's look at this number now. Okay, this is more than this 5 and more, so that will give us 700,000. 1, 2, 3, and that is actually the correct answer. So for this question, question 10, our answer is actually 3. Okay, we look at question 11. The length of 3 ribbons are 10.5, 8 meters and 26.65. What is the average length? So first of all, you add them up. So you have 10.5 plus 8 plus 26.65. Okay, this will give, okay, that will actually give you 45.15. There's 3 ribbons, so 45.15 we divided by 3. Okay, and you get 15.05. Okay, so question 11 answer is 2. Let's move on to question 12. Cherries were sold at 3 kg per 100 grams. How much did Mr. Stay paid for 1.5? Okay, so 1.5 kg, okay, is equals to 1,500 gram. So 100 gram equals to $3. 1,500 gram equals to $3 times 15 times. Okay, and that will give you $45. $45. So question 12, your answer is 3. Okay, look at question 13 now. Adrian had $400. He spent 35% on a MP3. How much he left? So at first, 100% money. I minus 35% on the MP3 player. I will left with 65%. I want to find how much I left, so it will be 65% of $400. This will be 65 over 100 times 400 over 1. Okay, cancel, 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 cancel. So 65 times 4, we get equals to 260. So 260, question 13, answer is 3. Heidi spent 20% of his pocket money on drinks. He then spent 40% of the remaining pocket money on food. What percentage did he spend on food? Okay, whenever you see the keyword here, remaining, we can actually use the branch method. So 20% is actually 2 over 10, or 40% is 4 over 10. So at first, I have pocket money. Okay, so 2 over 10 I spend on drinks. I would left with 8 over 10. Okay, this is my remainder. I spent 40% on food, so I'll spend another 4 over 10 here on food, and I'll left with 6 over 10 here with what I left. So I need to find the box here, and I have to take 8 over 10 times 4 over 10. So 8 over 10 times 4 over 10, 8 times 4 is actually 32. Okay, so we have 32. 10 times 10 is over 100, and that will give me 32%. So question 14, answer is actually 1. Okay, 1 is your answer. Okay, let's look at question 15 now. The ratio of Esther savings to Fanny saving is 2:3. So Esther is to Fanny, 2:3. The ratio of Fanny savings to Hannah saving is also 2:3. So Fanny to Hannah is 2:3. You notice that Fanny, they are the same person, so they actually could take 3 times 2, which is 6 here, and there's 6 here. Okay, so in this case, 3 times 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. In this case, this is times 3, so here will be times 3 also. 6 is to 9. So they ask, what's the ratio of Esther to Hannah? So Esther is actually 4, Hannah is 9. So 4 is to 9. Question 15, answer is actually 3. Okay, we move to question 16. A carton of milk costs $2.45. Mrs. Tan buy 8 carton. How much does she have to pay? Very simple, it's just 2.45 times 8. Okay, so 8 times 5 will be 40. 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. Okay, and then we have a 3 here. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So my final answer is $19.60. Okay, so please do not be careless. Do check your work. Find the sum of 80.1 and 2.99. So 80.1, the word sum means plus 2.99. So there must be a 0 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 2 plus 1 is 3, so 8. So answer for question 2 is 83.09. 2085 equals to how many kilometers? Okay, so 1000 meters is equals to 1.000 kilometers. So 2085 meters will be equals to 2.085 kilometers. So your answer for question 18 would be 2.085. Okay, we move to question 19. The total height of 9 identical boxes is 3 meters 75 cm. What is the total height of 3 such boxes? Okay, so 9 boxes give me 3 meter 75 cm. 3 boxes you divided by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1 meter. 75 divided by 3 is 25 cm. Okay, we know that 1 meter is actually 100 centimeter. So we have 1 meter here. So it will be 100 plus 25 equals to 125. So question 19, answer is 125. The sum of 6 numbers is 140. Okay, meaning that number 1 plus number 6 all the way, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 number is 140. The average of the first 5 numbers is 25, so we take 25 times 5, that will give us 125. So we take 140 minus 125, that will give us 15. So for question 20, the answer is 15. Express 28% as a fraction, okay, in the lowest form. So 20% is 28 over 100. That is 14 over 50. We divide by another 2 is 7 over 25. So question 21, answer is 7 over 25. Question 22. Express 400 gram as a percentage of 1 kg. So it will be like 400 grams over 1000 grams times 100%. Okay, cancel. So your final answer is 40 times 1, which is 40%. So question 22, your final answer is 40%. In a carnival, question 23, there were 4 times as many children as adults. What percentage of the people were children? So children is 4, and then adult there is 1. So altogether there's 5 people. What percentage were children? So it's like children over total number of people times 100%. Okay, so 4 over 5 is actually 8 over 10. So answer is 80%. So question 23, answer is 80%. 24. Sam is 4 over 5 as heavy as James, so Sam will have 4 units, while James is actually on 5 units. If their total mass is 108 kg, so this is a total of 108 kg. So 9 units, 4 plus 5 give me 108. 1 unit will give me 12 kg. What is Sam's mass? So Sam is 4, so 12 times 4, 12, 24, 36, 48, 48. So question 24, our answer is 48. We look at the last question. The perimeter of a triangle is 77. The length of the ratio is 245. What is the length along the side? Okay, so altogether 2 plus 4 plus 5, this would give me 11 units. Okay, so 11 units is 77 cm. 1 unit is actually 7 cm. Okay, the longest is actually this, which is 5, so 7 times 5 equals to 35. So my final answer for question 25 would be 35 cm. Okay, question 26. Okay, Mrs. Tan makes 1.8 liters of orange syrup with 5 times as much water to make orange squash. She poured the orange squash equally into 5 jugs. How many liters of orange squash did each jug contain? Okay, so okay, orange syrup is actually 1.8 liters. Okay, 5 times as much water, so water is 1.8 times 5, that will give me 9 liters. Okay, so altogether 9 plus 1.8 is equals to, there is 10.8 liters of mixture of orange squash. I poured it equally into 5 jugs, so I have 10.8 divided by 5. 2 on top minus 10, 0, I bring down 8.1 minus 5, a 3, a 0, bringing down here 0, here will be a 6. So my final answer for question 26 would be 2.16 liters of orange juice. Okay, we move to question 27 now. Rachel has a mass of 54.1 kg. Her sister is 800 grams lighter than Rachel and 0.6 kg heavier than Serene. What is Serene's mass? Okay, Rachel, the mass is actually 54.1 kg. Okay, that would be 54 kg and 100 grams. Okay, her sister is okay, sis is 800 grams lighter than Rachel, which means 54 kg and 100 grams minus 800 grams. Okay, 1 kg is 1000 grams, so 54 kg will give me 54,000 grams. Okay, so 54 kg and 100 grams will give me 54,100 grams. Okay, and I have to minus away 800 grams. Okay, so 0, 0, borrow 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 3, 5. So the sister is 53,300 gram. Okay, and this person is, and the sister is actually heavier than Serene. So Serene, okay, is actually, this answer minus away 0.6 is actually 0.6 kg is 600 grams, so minus 600, 0, 0, borrow 2, 13 and 6 is 7, 2, 5. So Serene is actually 5,700 grams. Okay, you change this. Okay, remember, okay, 1 kg is 1000 gram, 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, so we should have 52 kg, 700 gram. So question 27, our answer is 52 kg and 700 grams. Okay, we look at question 28. Arish had 258 marbles. After giving some marbles to his two friends, he had 100 marbles left. What was the average number of marbles each of his two friends received? So he has 258 at first, and he left 100 in the end. So he must have given away 158. 158, he has two friends, so he divided by 2. Okay, so 158 divided by 2, answer is actually 79. So the final answer here would be 79. Okay, so question 28, answer is 79. Okay, we look at question 29. The chairs in the hall were arranged in rows. Each row had the same number of chairs. Mr. Joseph sat on one of the chairs. Okay, so maybe Mr. Joseph sat here. There were 6 chairs to his right. Okay, so altogether there's 6 chairs to his right and 5 chairs to his left. Okay, so there's 5 chairs to his left. There were 8 rows in front of him. So in front of him there were 8 rows and 12 rows behind him. So behind him there's another 12 rows. So how many chairs are there? Okay, so if you were to draw this in the form of a rectangle, okay, you realize that, okay, Joseph right hand side got 6 chairs, left hand side got 15. So altogether this whole length would be 5 plus 1 plus 6, which is 12. So there's 12 here. Okay, now Joseph got 8 rows of chairs in front of him, and there's another 12 rows of chairs behind him, so that would be 8 plus 1 plus 12, that would be 21. So how many chairs were there in the hall? So we just take 12 times 21. 12 times 21. 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 1, 1, 0, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 1, 2. Okay, so it's 2, 5, 2. 2, 5, 2. So my answer for question 29 will be 252. Okay, we move on to question 30. There are 660 oranges and pears at the fruit store. 3 over 5 of the oranges, okay, oranges, 3 over 5 is equal to half of the number of pears. Pears is half. Okay, remember, you must make the number on top the same. Okay, so this is still 3 over 5. This would be 3 over 6. So we find out that there are 5 units of orange, or there are 6 units of pear. So altogether there's 11 units that give you 660. 1 unit, okay, would be actually 60. How many oranges are there? Okay, so oranges got 5 units, so 5 units, 60 times 5, you get 300. So question 30, okay, my answer will be 300. This is the end of paper 1.